you got, Coco? What is that? Play with it. What is it? It's your rattle toy.
What's this? What's this?
Play with it.
Introducing restaurant-inspired food for cats. Delight her with wild salmon Florentine in a delicate sauce with garden greens.
What you got? Where's your boonie? Look at your balloon. Oh, you're a clever boy. Clever boy. Look at you standing up there. What are you, clever boy? You clever boy.
Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom. Oh, little boy. Little boy. Where's the balloon?
Go get your balloon.
Eat your own.
DVD that shows you how to get great results in my convenience. You can build muscle and burn fat all in one workout. Now you can own your very own Bowflex for no...
Where's your balloon? Go get it. Go get your balloon. Coco, where's your balloon? Oh, there it is. You want your balloon? What do you say? Say woof. Say woof. Oh, good boy. Okay, here you go. Go get it. What do you want? Are you a good boy? You are? What do good boys get? What? What good boys get? They get treats? You do?